Hello and welcome to my another video. So today we are going to discuss class 10 SEBA board class 10 question paper subject English. So now listen to my students. So first of all we will notice that section A. So choose the correct options for the following. So this one calls MCQ. There will be total question 45. So question number 1, question number 45 will be MCQ. So and this part you have to write the MCQ portion. That means format will be given. So for section B you will notice that answer the following question briefly. The mark will be 2 of 10. That means total mark 20. So such as question number 46 to 55, and if you notice that there will be a pages, read the following pages and answer the following question. That means some question will be given there as per the pages. So pages will be like this and some question will be there. So next part, that look at there question number C. That means section C, supplementary reader or literature reader, recall repeat reader. The class and have 2 books. No, then second book is called supplementary reader. From there will be question, total question will be 4. That means chapter 5. So from there will be 4 question and you have to write any 2 question. For section number D, there will be writing part. From writing part, 1 number question will be essay / story. There will be some questions, some essay there, and you have to write any 1 essay or 1 story. Question number 2, report / notice. There will be 2 options. Either you can write report or notice. Look at question number 3. There will be letter or obligation. Either you can write letter or obligation. From question number 4, there will be translation. That means for English medium student, there will be question will be given in English and you have to write in your mother language. Either your mother language, Boro, Assamese or Hindi. There will be another option that you can write substance writing also. The substance will be given there. That means 1 pages will be given there. You have to find out the substance from there. And section number E, grammar portion. The grammar will be tense, verb, narration, do as the direction. And look at this question, transformation of sentence. That means 1 sentence will be given there. You have to write the as per the direction. That means if the sentence says that write as or transformation, that means turn into negative, turn into interrogative, and turn into affirmative. These types of question will be there. So B number, look whether it will be that as the voice, as the direction, another will be degree. This must for class 10 English. I hope you are understanding.